Hey YouTube, how you doing? Out at the range today. We're going to be doing a little shotgun evaluation here. Got two Stevens 320s. One 28-inch barrel. Oh. There, see, clear. Nice red follower in there too. Haven't fired it. Brand new out of the box. You saw the video on it. Yeah, this one's still got the tag on it. This one's got the 18.5-inch barrel. And it's drilled and tapped on the receiver. It's a nice handy little security style shotgun. Start by taking the tag off. Okay, and here's what we're going to be shooting today. We got some 12 gauge Winchester 3-inch double-aught buck. We've got some Winchester 12 gauge 2 3/4-inch buck. And the 12 gauge 2 3/4 number 8 shot that you buy, 100 rounds for $22. So, there you go. We're going to start with the number 8 shot. And basically, I'm just wondering, what's the difference between the 18-inch and the 28-inch? So we're going to start with the 28-inch. I haven't oiled them, haven't done anything with them. Like I said, they're brand new out of the box. Alright, safety's on. Oop. It's been a while since I loaded the shotgun. You gotta push that gate out of the way too. There's 4, 5. Button's a little hard to get at. Alright. One more to go. Not bad. Alright. Pick up our shells. Should have brought a garbage bag. I might need one by the time this one's done. Alright, safety's on. Now let's try the 18. Alright. Button's still hard to get at. Safety's off. See, this one feels a little better. I don't know why. A lot of trigger creep though. Well, I can tell you this one's got a little more kick to it. So, barrel length might have something to do with recoil. Got that one. So, it's easier to shoot the 28 inch, just from the recoil standpoint. Now let's try something with a little heft to it. That buckshot out. Come on. I don't know what that means, but SXZ. I'm only doing 4 because the buckshot's a little more expensive. Alrighty. Yeah, a lot of trigger creep. Yeah. Buckshot on that one's got a lot more recoil to it. Yep, I'll find it. It's here somewhere. So let's try the short one. There we go. Let's see what this is like. Actually, recoil is about the same, but this is easier to wheel. Another one too. All right. Just because they're 3-inch, I'm only going to do a couple in each one because I got to save my shoulder. It's, you know, still in bad shape from work. All right. 3-inch 15 pellet. All right, let's see if the barrel length has any difference on this. Oh, no it doesn't. No, it does not. Ouch. And I say again, ouch. I'm going to stick that one in here. Just because I'm only doing 2. Because if it hurt that much in the
We're gonna head down there and grab the targets.
28-inch barrel, I can only imagine what it's going to feel like in this. So, shoot them fast, get them done quick? I don't think so. Yep, so much for that rotary lock. Definitely not something I want to do all the time. Well, I gotta tell you, that is not something that those 3-inchers are kill you. Oh my God. And actually, I didn't notice any difference at all except for the, the number 8 shot. They both operated the same. They both do everything the same. They are 320s after all. There was a little more felt recoil with the 18-inch barrel than there was the 28-inch barrel. And, fit and finish, for, what, 180 and 160 bucks. They are what they are, so it's all good. And for 2 shotguns under 350 bucks or whatever you want to call it, you couldn't get a better deal. I mean, these are just the first, 20 shots, 10 shots out of each, whatever it is. But, yeah, I'm happy with them. There really isn't a difference that I could feel, like I said, except for the number 8 shot. The number 8 shot, it shot softer in the 28-inch barrel. So, we're just about there, folks. Remember your protocols, stay healthy. And remember, pick up your brass.